Hey everybody, and welcome to another HOWTECH video tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to block a number in Android. So we'll click the phone icon right here. And there's a couple different ways we can do this. If you hit the three dots in the top right hand corner, go to Settings, you can see we have an option here to block numbers. And here we can just add the different phone numbers that we want to block. We can also block the unknown callers as well that we don't have contacts for. I'll just return and go back again. The other option is if you go to Contacts over here, you can go ahead and find a contact. If I scroll down, I'll get to actual people, so I won't scroll down anymore. So I can just click on any one of these and go to Details of this person or this particular number. Can hit the three dots in the top right again, and we can go ahead and block the contact right here. Hit block, and now this contact is blocked and we won't receive any phone calls or messages from this contact. And we can unblock him just by hitting the three dots again and unblock. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.